If you've got the skills but want the flexibility, we've got the perfect part-time carpentry job for you. Stick around, we're on the hunt for a talented carpenter with a valid visa and NOC certificate. Do you excel at fixing hanging cabinets and drawers? Can you handle general carpentry tasks with ease? Then you're exactly who we're looking for. Here's what you need: a valid visa, NOC certificate, and proven experience in carpentry. You'll be fixing and installing hanging cabinets, drawers, and more. Quality and safety are top priority. To apply, shoot us your CV, a copy of your NOC certificate, and any work samples. Email us at stemcorporatecslc@gmail.com or hit us up on 0526891983 via call or WhatsApp. Join our team, bring your expertise, and let's build something great together. Apply now.